Hey students, parents of the St. Mary's Valley School District community, my name is Jake Marshall and I teach the Aeronautics program here at the Innovation Center.
So Jake, what is some of the advanced coursework that you guys offer here?
Some of the advanced coursework that we teach in the Aeronautics program is our pilot ground. Pilot ground instruction, headed up by Steve Kirshner, is specifically designed to get the pilots, the student pilots in our district in for free, to start ground training to see if this is something that can best suit them as a possible career in the future. Taking these ground courses will prepare them for the FAA written, and from there they can pursue piloting after our classes. The other classes that we have in the Aeronautics program is our unmanned aerial systems engineering design classes. We do have our training platforms, but the engineering classes where the real innovation and innovative practices and design thinking pieces come into play. Students are tasked with designing fixed-wing and multi-rotor aircraft to serve a multitude of problems that are currently being used in today's industry.
What are some of the partnerships your area has?
Some of the awesome partnerships that we have in the Aeronautics program is our partnership with Ames Community College. They are our secondary or post-secondary college that we have teamed up with for our pilot ground students, and our APT 155 drone pilots as well. So we have a couple classes that are concurrent enrollment, so kids that are taking classes here can get college credit at Ames that can then be transferred to universities and colleges across the country. We also have Embry-Riddle is one of our main partners. Embry-Riddle has been a huge part in identifying what we do as a huge asset to their programming as well, and they are taking kids that are seniors and providing them an opportunity to check out Embry-Riddle to see if it's a good suit for them. Our final partnership that we have is Boeing. Boeing has helped us now for 2 straight years, providing over $100,000 worth of funds to help grow our program from pilot ground to our drone program, all the way to our after-school project teams.
And speaking of that, what are some of the project teams you have working here?
The Aeronautics program has the Aeronautics program has one team. It's the Aeronautics team, and that team is tasked with doing all kinds of awesome projects. We go from simple research and development projects where the kids are coming in with no experience whatsoever, building using common materials, and being able to then apply those to actual contractual-based work. The Aeronautics team has garnered over 20 contracts in the last 2 years, stemming from just simple UAS work within the community, all the way up to supporting defense community or defense work, and doing some amazing data collection, aerial data collection for them as well. Some stuff I just can't talk about.
Hi, I'm Lizette, and I am a senior at Longmont High. I chose this aviation class because I wanted a head start in my aviation career. And I'm planning to be an ATP, an airline pilot for American Airlines. At the Innovation Center, they provide a very welcoming and inclusive environment and can help you in any class you choose.
Jeffrey Lund, and I am the project manager for the Entrepreneurial Zone that we're in here today. We also have a studio that we run. What I teach in this particular area is around business and entrepreneurship. So I will teach entrepreneurial mindset. I teach Business 115, which is a front range concurrent enrollment class for P-TECH. And I also teach Management 230 out of this classroom, which is also a concurrent enrollment for P-TECH. Students who take my entrepreneurial mindset course can get concurrent enrollment as well. And then I've also piloting a new course this year, which is the entrepreneurial business operations. So we go more in depth after our students discovered what they want to do. We go more in depth with the entrepreneurial piece. Some of the partnerships that we have here within the Entrepreneurial Zone are with the University of Colorado School of Business, Lead School of Business. We have intern this semester again from the Lead School of Business. I also work with other universities like the Watson Institute, also the Watson Institute Bachelor Program, which allows students to take their entrepreneurial idea and get a bachelor's degree in social entrepreneurship while they start their business. I also have partnerships with OtterBox currently, and we've worked with other organizations in this zone as well. And then also we do work with all the schools in the district, and we're redeveloping our programs to get students more involved in opportunities and with local entrepreneurs. We do have interns in my program. I have high school interns, and also I have one college intern this semester, which has been invaluable over the last, this is our 3rd year with interns. The high school students get a credit plus an hourly paid internship, and then our college students get a paid internship as well, and it helps deepen our relationships.
Hi, I'm Vida Rona. I am a senior in Skyline High School, and I am an intern at the Entrepreneurial Zone. Basically what I do is create events for the Entrepreneurial Zone and help market what we do to our city to help people with their small businesses. And in the future what I like to do is help small businesses, especially the Latino small business, with expanding their market. I'm currently creating a database to help those who participate in our events so we can contact them in the future to inform them of our future events.
Hi, I'm Allie. I'm a senior this year. I go to Frederick High School, and here at the Innovation Center we have a class called P-Teach, also known as Pathways to Teaching. In this classroom we learn the fundamentals of teaching. We've taken classes such as Power, Language, and Identity to learn diversity within the classroom, child development and child guidance, which helps guide students as they grow older. And most importantly, we've done Intro to Early Childhood Education, which gives us a step into the world of teaching. We've gotten hands-on experience, and all of the students in the class get immediate admission to CU Denver if they pass with a C or higher. When I first started the program, I wanted to be a history teacher for secondary education, but since I've taken the classes, I've refined it down, and I actually want to teach younger kids because of the hands-on experience I got in a special ed classroom in Longmont. And I want to focus on ASL and bilingual education in special education for 3rd through 5th graders, since Power, Language, and Identity and Child Development focused on the benefits of those courses. And if a student takes the classes and decides not to pursue education, there's many fields they could go into, and different benefits they can get from the class, such as free college credit. Students that feel they don't want to be teachers, they could work in the medical field, in the medical side of it all, with the psychology or pediatrics, and they can work with nearby organizations to help pursue that with their field.